Hello everyone, in this video, I want to share an unforgettable experience. Everyone must have moments in the past that cannot be forgotten, both good and bad moments. Of course, I rather remember the good moments than the bad moments. Actually, there were some good moments that were unforgettable, but one of the most memorable was when I went to Barcelona, Spain. My goal in going to Barcelona was not actually for vacation, but to take part in a competition. The competition is choir. I went with my choir friends, my coach, and team members. I made this an unforgettable moment because going abroad is one of my dreams. In fact, I was happy to went abroad not only because my dream has come true, but also because I can win a competition that brings the name of the country. When I was in Barcelona, I was also happy because I could visit very good tourist spots, one of which is the dream place for everyone to go to Barcelona, namely Camp Nou. I was very happy to be able to surround a big stadium which is very historic and becomes everyone's dream.